$130, 1320, 1.5, and its market cap hit $4,000. Hello, friends. Welcome to today's video. Today we'll see how to create your own cryptocurrency on a specific blockchain. I've uploaded a detailed video on creating your own cryptocurrency on Finance Smart Shine. Now the difference between this video and that video is that, first of all, this video is on Solana. And secondly, there is a little code in that video. There is no code at all in this video. So if you want a completely coding-free video, then you can follow this video totally. Along with this, some initial investment will also come on the cryptocurrency that we will create in this video. Alright, so what we will do is proceed to examine that as well. Let's begin. First, we will navigate to the back screener, okay? Once we reach the screener, we will proceed to open its website. Now, the pairs that we are observing here, Tommies, are all desk pairs. So we will move to the right side, and below there, you will find it written as Moonshot. Okay? We are going to click on Moonshot. Once we click on Moonshot, a variety of moonshots will be displayed in front of us. Alright? Now, how does this function? So, in essence, what occurs here is that you need to create a coin and proceed to launch it. Okay? Pre-sale, there will be no insider, nothing like this. There will be 1 billion maximum supply. Okay? And it will raise funds here till 57.1k. After that, it will be transferred either to Meteora or Radian. Alright? So, let's take a look now at how the newest cryptocurrencies, which have been launched on the Moonshot and the yearly blockchain, are performing. So I have to wait quite a bit. There's no issue with that. In the meantime, we will proceed with the launch of cryptocurrency. All right. So first of all, I am going to select this Meteoroid. The reason for this choice is that it has some royalty events and other interesting aspects. Okay. Therefore, I will select taxpayer. Now, in this context, I am CRM because I had previously created the old coin on my channel. That was also a CRM symbol. So we will retain CRM for this purpose too. We will keep this one as tuk 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 da. Alright. Now, we will place this right in here. This is a relaxed spoken style, typically used by a YouTube analyst who used to perform this specific task. We removed the Hindi from there and sought their opinion on it. Okay. Officially, this serves as an official token for the YouTube channel named CryptoMudra. Now let's come to the icon and choose the icon. I will choose the channel's profile and channel's banner. Okay, this is done. Now we come to the website. So first, we select this option on the website. Now what this indicates is that the link to the YouTube channel is secure. After that, you need to choose your video profile. I haven't set up Telegram or anything like that yet. This means that since I've already created it, there's no need to add the link at this moment. However, if you wish to include any link, you can add the Facebook one. Regarding Facebook, I've now cleared up everything related to CRM and cryptocurrency. Here, we have the official token for the YouTube channel's cryptocurrency. Moving on, as of now, we don't require anything else. Now initial buy to be the first person to buy your token. So yes, we are capable of doing it even while we sleep. I totally agree with that, okay? Now let's take a look here. There is absolutely no option provided anywhere for us to select our desired quantity. Now let's go ahead and connect the wallet. It's necessary for us to have that amount of money completely available in our wallet. Is it all right? Yes, indeed it is. It is certainly $1. I believe he is offering me something. I will proceed in English only, sir. Is that okay with you? I will continue without any interruptions. Let me elaborate further on this point to ensure clarity. Yes, I can confirm with absolute certainty that it is indeed $1. There is no doubt about it. I perceive that he is extending an offer to me and I will accept it graciously. Now let me assure you that I will continue speaking solely in English, sir. Would that be acceptable to you? I plan to proceed without any interruptions whatsoever, maintaining a smooth and uninterrupted flow of conversation. Now, it is currently taking the token setup. I need to sign this transaction, and I am providing my approval from here. So I will submit the transaction now. I believe whatever I have approved is being submitted. At this moment, they are verifying the transaction through their blog, and now the CR is officially live on Moonshot. Alright, now let's proceed to our token page. Upon arriving at the token page, you will quickly notice that someone has already purchased it for a total of $130. Now I will also make a purchase immediately, Abhinesh remarked. These two matters have concluded. I also purchased 22 for a total of $13. Okay? Now, take a look. Nothing happened to me just now. Observe how many people have started buying. It must have been only about 2 to 4 seconds since I did it. Okay, this one was bought for 130 rupees, this one for $130, another for $13, and this one for $90. When I was handling transactions, I bought for $114. My market cap reached $4,000. Now I can sell if I choose. Okay, I'll sell it. So what's the point? I just demonstrated it. I sold it here. Now see, my sell transaction will appear here. Based on this information, it appears that no matter what you create, your cryptocurrencies begin to arrive to you right away at that exact moment in time. Okay, now two people have sold it. Now they will go on buying and selling like this if the list of holders is not updated yet. Okay, so this is how it keeps happening. See, right now, this guy sold it for $130, $13, one. And this guy with 19 probably sold it. Okay, if you see the top traders, then this guy placed 1.14 and sold it at 1.14, so there is not much profit. So according to this, you can create your own cryptocurrency without coding anything. Literally, it did not take me even 2 or 3 minutes, okay? And it reached the valuation of 3.9K. Okay, 3.9K means 4 is valued at about $4,000. You can create and sell your coin annually or share it with the public, okay? That's all for today. See you next video. Bye.